Welcome to the Infinity POCO F4, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll to the top to the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi, click here once on the switcher, and now we'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's select this one. Here we should enter the password. To see the password, just we should click here on this eye icon to have, for example, some mistakes. And let's just enter the password. I'll do this out of screen. After that, just tap here to connect. Okay, so once again, tap to connect. Now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select, for example, one more network here, and after that, into additional settings, we can see here the saved networks with the password. We can delete them here. Also, we can just switch the Wi-Fi name. We can test some networks, and we can use the Wi-Fi assistant, for example, if you want. So just to allocate bandwidth to apps and backgrounds allowance here. And if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, just click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just first open notification panel, and on the left upper corner you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on this icon. To launch the Wi-Fi settings, to select networks, hold for a while the icon, and by the same way, just select network, enter the password, and tap to connect. And if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, just click here once again on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.